A journey through the layers of our human experience, a path that takes us from the tangible to the transcendent, from the known to the unknown, from the whispers of the physical realm to the ethereal whispers of dreams. We'll tiptoe along the threshold between worlds, guided by the flickering flame of curiosity. In essence, the concept of the 12 planes of existence is rooted in the idea that reality is a construct of the mind. These planes represent different levels of consciousness or states of awareness, ranging from the tangible and mundane to the abstract and transcendent. Ultimately, they suggest that our perception of reality is shaped by our consciousness. But heed this, dear seekers, for the true treasures of this expedition lie not in the destination, but in the journey itself. So, are you ready to cast aside the veil of familiarity and venture into the unknown? If so, then join me as we embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of the cosmos and discover the hidden truths that dwell within us all. Let it be known, this extraordinary journey is not reserved solely for mystics and sages. It extends its inviting hand to each one of you, an empowering odyssey that beckons you to embrace the hero within, unlock the enigmatic mysteries that dance in the depths of your being, and ascend to the fullness of your potential, becoming a radiant beacon of light that illuminates the world. Through the mystical corridors of consciousness, where each step is a rung on the ladder of enlightenment, imagine these planes as ancient teachings, echoing through time, inviting us to ascend towards profound truths and self-discovery. Climb the ladder of consciousness, ascending from shadow to illumination, each rung a revelation, a step closer to profound understanding. With each ascent, shed the weight of ignorance, embrace the clarity of insight, and soar towards the brilliance of enlightenment. At the outset of our spiritual journey, we find ourselves grounded in the physical plane, the world we perceive. Here, the laws of physics, chemistry, and biology govern our existence, and the tangible world unfolds before our senses. It's a realm of both ordinary routines and extraordinary experiences, where time and space define our reality. This plane serves as the foundation upon which we initiate our ascent into higher realms. Let's talk about outer being, which symbolizes the realm of our consciousness and invites us to delve into the intricate tapestry of our inner world. Here our thoughts take flight like birds in the sky, our emotions flow like a river, meandering through the landscape, and our interactions sculpt the very contours of our daily existence. It is within this domain that we find the profound opportunity to integrate the wisdom gained from the higher planes into the choices we make, the actions we take, and the relationships we nurture. While the physical plane immerses us in external sensory experiences, the outer being beckons us to plunge into the depths of our souls, aligning our earthly journey with the celestial path of ascension. As we ascend beyond the physical, we arrive at the astral plane, the realm of dreams and emotions. This ethereal realm resembles a dreamscape, where emotions, desires, and thoughts take on a different, more fluid form. Boundaries between reality and imagination blur, inviting us to explore the inner landscapes of our subconscious. Here we begin to weave the threads of our emotional landscape, uncovering the deep connections between our inner world and the fabric of existence. In dreams and emotions, we traverse the ethereal landscapes where the boundaries of reality blur, and our innermost desires paint the canvas of our souls. Continuing on, we ascend to the mental plane, a realm of thoughts and ideas where we grapple with the complexities of existence and seek to make sense of the world around us. It's a space for introspection and contemplation, where we wrestle with questions that defy easy answers and ponder the mysteries of the universe. In thoughts and contemplation, we soar as beings of infinite wisdom, unfurling the tapestry of the cosmos with the wings of our intellect. Next, we ascend to the Buddhic plane, a realm of love and compassion, where we connect with the hearts of others and recognize the inherent dignity and worth of every living being. Here we experience the profound beauty of empathy and kindness, and we come to understand that we are all interconnected in the web of life. In love, compassion, and unity, we dissolve the illusions of separateness, becoming vessels of divine grace, radiating the eternal light of oneness. Beyond that lies the atmic plane, the seat of inner willpower. Here we access our inner wellspring of strength and determination, transcending external influences and worldly distractions. It empowers us to take decisive action and align our intentions with the greater cosmic flow, manifesting our true potential. In the deepest chambers of our willpower, we find the strength to sculpt our destiny, aligning our intentions with the cosmic symphony. Ascending even higher, we reach the monadic plane, a realm of unity and oneness, where we transcend the illusion of separateness and recognize our interconnectedness with all of creation. Here we experience a sense of belonging and wholeness, as we realize that we are not separate beings but integral parts of a greater whole. Ascending further still, we arrive at the logoic plane, the domain of divine truth, where we encounter the deepest mysteries of existence and glimpse the eternal truths that lie beyond the veil of illusion. Here we experience moments of profound insight and revelation as we come to understand the true nature of reality. In the presence of the divine truth, we stand on the precipice of infinity, where the mysteries of existence unfold in the timeless dance of revelation. Transitioning to the causal plane, we confront the echoes of our past actions and experiences, reflecting on the choices we've made and the impact they've had on our lives and the lives of others. It's a space for introspection and self-examination, where we take stock of our journey thus far and contemplate the lessons we've learned along the way. In the realm of memories and transcendence, we confront the echoes of our past deeds, weaving the threads of transformation in the loom of accountability. Elevating our awareness to new heights, we ascend to the superconscious realms, a transcendent space where we merge with the divine and experience a profound sense of peace and wholeness. Here we connect with the infinite wisdom and love that permeates the universe, and we feel a deep sense of gratitude for the beauty and wonder of existence. In cosmic unity, we merge with the universal consciousness, bathing in the radiance of divine wisdom and love, transcending the boundaries of the self. Descending to the depths of our being, we encounter the inmost being, the core of our true selves, where authenticity and vulnerability reign supreme. It's a space for self-discovery and self-acceptance, where we embrace our flaws and imperfections and celebrate the unique essence of who we are. In the sanctuary of our truest self, we find the unblemished soul that transcends the illusions of the material world, a beacon of authenticity. Finally, returning to the outer being, the world of our everyday consciousness, we integrate the wisdom gained from our journey into our daily lives. We grow and transform, we strive to live with integrity and purpose, and we seek to make a positive impact on the world around us. As we journey through these mystical dimensions, let us remember that each plane offers its own unique gifts and challenges, and that the true beauty of the journey lies not just in reaching our destination, but embracing the fullness of the experience along the way. Ascension through these planes is like climbing a ladder of consciousness. It's a journey from our everyday world, where we perceive things through our senses, to higher realms of thought, love, unity, and divine truth. As we ascend, we break free from the shackles of ego, discovering the boundless potential of our higher selves. As we integrate these insights into our daily lives, we become more compassionate, aware, and aligned with our spiritual journey. As we continue our ascent through these mystical dimensions, let us remember that each layer reveals a deeper truth about ourselves and the universe. Ascending is not about leaving behind our earthly experiences, but about infusing them with deeper meaning and divine understanding. So let us journey forth with open hearts and curious minds, ready to explore the depths of our souls and discover the magic that lies within. Humanfluence out.